Hi guys, Sensei Miyake here. We will keep this video short and straightforward, in proud partnership with the Department of Tourism Region 12, set in the beautifully enchanting paradise of Soxargen, produced by MichelangeloCortez.net and SenseiMiyake.com. We now bring you a special episode of Miyake and the Balelings Challenge Accepted, the Manny Pacquiao Mansion Tour. At habang kasama pa namin ang ever-energetic duo na si Christine Ganda at Fanny Gio, I will let them do the narrative tour. Take it away, kids.
Mabuhay! Magandang Jensen!
I am Christine Jennifer Amor.
I am Gio Dazo.
And we are your Tour Guides Association here in General Santos City.
Pacquiao.
Yes,
Mabuhay! Magandang Jensen. I am Gio po your tour guide for today's activity here sa Pacman Mansion 1. So to remind nyo lang po, pwede po tayo pumasok at mag-upo sa mga sofa nila po. Yes po. Sige, atitin.
Okay, so let's start. Dito po sa ating door. Starting na
May
rin.
tanggal lang muna our footwears.
Tanggalin natin ito yung sapatos.
Tanggal ko lahat ng shoes and sandal.
And no worries sa kaya. Ito naman sa tayo. Upon entering, where you can see the receiving area po.
Ito po yung whole house po, or yung first house po nila Manny Pacquiao at ni Jinky po. So, they bought this place at around 2009 po, and then nagstay na po sila sa place na to around 2010 po.
And
So,
itong bahay na to, ang Pacman Mansion 1, yes po, proceed na tayo sa Ang itong mansion na po ito is just a second property. Sila po ang second owner ng bahay na ito. And ito po ay undergo ng 6 months for renovation. And as you can see, ito po yung bagong nila siya, pinagawa na nag-stay sila dito. Yes po.
so here is their receiving area, as you can see po. And then, on this part, we have yung mga pictures po ni Manny sa pakikipaglaban niya po, simula noong una hanggang ngayon po. And here po is yung dining area po nila.
And if ever you want to take a picture, pwede po.
Yes po.
Opo lang. Ayan. As you can see there po, bandayan po yung kitchen nila.
And then here in this area po is their kitchen.
Kung saan maagang gigising sila para kumain dito. Pero most of the time, they spend their time here and doon sa mezzanine.
So, as you can see, bakit po may mga gamit pa sila here sa house nila? Because naka-built-in na po yung mga gamit po mostly nila sa house na to. So, hindi na po nila nadala on their second and their third house.
So this house was inspired by the modern American home that meron silang property sa LA. Ayan.
Yes.
So, ayan
So, here in this area is their dirty kitchen po.
with the kitchen for all this po. And most of, as you can observe, yung mga colors nila is kindly colorful because it's how they want their mommy D to feel at home talaga. And then,
Let's move po. So, we'll move to their extension po na receiving area, which is in this part po.
so ito po yung boxing gloves sa kanyang display talaga.
This one is the extension one. As you can see po sa ating receiving area is meron pong glass door. So, kumbaga, pwede po nilang i-move yung couch po nila para ma-open po yung door and they could all stay po in this extension area.
And here naman po, memories of one of memories po nila kung paano po nagsimula si Manny Pacquiao from scratch, from being a honorable governor to until it's right now senator.
So, actually po, dati, in this extension po nila na area, wala pa pong glass door po ito banda. So, kumbaga, pag nag-hangout po sila mag-family or meron po sila mga parties, is open po talaga yung area papunta po sa pool itself. So, dati, wala rin po itong kagamitan dati. Kasi dati, ginagawa po itong ballroom ni Mami B po.
So every morning, dito po siya nagsistay at dito po siya sumasayaw kada araw para sa kanya exercise na lang dito.
Yes, and dati rin po na when they have parties, ang lahat po ng guests nila, nandyan po sa labas, and sila Mami D, Manny Pacquiao, is nasa loob po sila here.
Ayan.
So,
can take pictures.
Here is po the pool area.
And this pool area, is inspired by his career, being boxer. So this pool is meant to be designed as boxing gloves po.
Yung building po dyan, that is their old office po actually.
So they also held their business meetings back there.
Yeah, but right now, hindi na po siya wala na po siya sa business district po. Kaya hindi na po siya.
So we get to may punta po dyan mamaya po. No, as
pool na
exploring this house. So here, up here.
This one po is their bar lounge.
Ayun, so
Here, dito po sila mag-inom ng mga cocktails or they want to drink wines or alcohol. So, nandito rin po yung CR po nila and they do have one room here for Coach Freddy Roach po. So, ito po yung kwarto po ni Coach. So, medyo po malaki po yung kwarto po ni Coach kasi nga po since he was the one who's training Manny Pacquiao. So, kumbaga, parang part na pa rin po siya sa family niya. Kasi, instead naman po na mag-book po siya ng hotel, and then mas magastos pa kasi yun. So, they given him a one room for him po.
Okay, so dito po mga kaibahan ng entertainment room. So this is where they held their most of their time, having a
movies
film,
or
watching
some
movies. And yeah.
other.
So as usual, their
Entertainment room lang po talaga ito.
American home design back then sa California. So very vibrant na the colors. Chandelier pa. Yes, man.
As you can see rin po, naka-open din po itong area na to, papunta rin pong pool. So, pwede pa rin silang pumunta. So, here po ang pool area po nila. Sige, pwede po tayo sa pool area.
Yeah, so yan po yung pool nila na boxing glove sheet para malaman kung saan pa din talaga naabot ang career ni Manny Pacquiao. As being a exceptional boxer.
It's big enough for their family actually. And kaso lang po, kung dito po is 2,500 square meters, sa second po nila na mansion, 1 hectare po yun or 9,700 po kalaki or square meters kalaki po yung bahay nila. Pero, malaki lang po yung land, but their main house po is actually smaller than this house. So, kumbaga, mas malaki pa rin itong bahay nila compared to their second mansion.
And upstairs, looking up front, no, yan po yung balcony nila kung saan po ang room nila dating Senator Manny Pacquiao ay mag-game. So, we get to punta there mamaya. Pwede punta na naman ulit back sa receiving area para makapag-picture tayo sa kanilang high ceiling na side. So, still, you can take pictures po muna din yun na nag-vote po sa mga, so kanina to take
More time pa naman po to take pictures and videos around the house. But right now, let's tour po muna around the house para mas makita niyo po in details ang each room and corners of their houses po.
So, if you want po naman po mga gold finish and mga saging mga collections, si Manny Pacquiao is that's for her mother to have the sense of being nakakaangat na pwede na siya pwede because this is yung purchase for their home na maging cozy and welcoming. So
here on our second floor is sa hagdanan po nila, meron po tayong
for your videos na swipe less cool. And if ever po you may want to walk pwede po.
Let's move to the second half.
Ate Bien, tignan tayo dito mga chance.
Pwede na tayo sa taas po. Let's take pictures na lang po others later po. So this first room is room po to ni Sir Jim Wall po. So siya lang po ang nag-occupy ng room po na ito. And ayan po yung picture po niya, yung maliit pa po siya. So napakatagal na po nitong bahay na to. And his room is facing the pool po. Ayan, he has his own balcony po at the same time.
First year, yung kanilang kapaliotan kasi ito for the staff and that's his
Yan po ang CR niya po.
Ayan, so
Po, actually po yung room po ni Miss Princess is color pink po siya. And meron din po siya mga old pictures po dati with her baby po.
Ayan, so this is their grand, their
Another receiving area namin po to nila.
receiving area upstairs.
And they do have their conference room.
And beside it is their prayer
Prayer
room
room po.
of Mami.
Meron po to mga altar or rebulto po dati pero ngayon tinanggal na po.
Because dati, as what we have known po, no, the family of Mami D is a Catholic believer po. Ayan. So, dyan po yung paminsan, Sir Manny with some of his awards po, no? Naka-display.
At itong room na pala, ito lang po yung tanging room po na hindi naka-face po sa mismong pool, kundi sa harapan po mismo ang room niya.
So, second town na 1, 2, 3, 4. And are you guys ready na ba? Saka na master bedroom ni Senator Manny.
So, this is the most exciting part
hindi
sa
na ba kayo
bahay. So, this is the master bedroom ko signature ko. Which is madalang na po niya ginagamit kasi he has his new signature. So, paminsan po ginagamit din niya po yun.
Ayan, so...
Ayan. So, this, and apparently, meron po silang sarili nilang secret na wall. Which is, ito po. Ayan, secret wall po nila kung saan dito po nila ginastash yung kanilang mga pera at mga guns po ni Sir Manny.
That is for this collection namin po.
Yeah.
Mayroon
po itong dating picture frame po. So, para natatabunan din po ng ang wall po nila.
And fun fact lang po, no, if makikita pa natin dito sa gilid ng pinakababa ng kanilang bookshelf, si Honorable Jinky Pacquiao is also handling a position sa government sa
Vice Governor.
Vice Governor pa siya sa Langani Province before.
So, this is
Hindi lang po talaga si Manny Pacquiao po ang may position na hinahawakan noon, pati si Ma'am Jinky din po. So, meron sa kanilang lahi talaga may leadership din yan. And here naman po, we can see the Grand Master's bedroom of Sir Manny Pacquiao with his wife.
Yeah, naka-face din po sa pool yung kanilang room.
Their house na pwede upuan, but their bedroom cannot.
So, apparently, meron din pong sariling walk-in closet si Miss Jinky. So, dito po yung walk-in closet niya po.
Paano po tayo kay Ma'am Kim? And some of their artworks po pala is on pastel. So, we get this
Bag collections, mga clothes. And fun fact po, halos siya pang naka-occupy nitong closet kasi dito lang po yung kay Manny. So, mulit lang masyado yung closet. Ayan. And meron po sila sarili nilang bathtub or just music po. Para pwede po silang unwind, take a relax, pwede po yung kanilang comfort room.
And, shelves and,
Ayan.
cabinets is, glass and like, keep it simple and accessible. Ito lang sa sofa dyan.
Ang sa third mansion naman po niya, mas malaki na po ang kanyang gymnasium with full equipments of NBA mga equipments po. So, medyo mahal na po. And at the same time po, meron po siya mga bungalow, receiving area, and his main house po as well. So, si bahay po ni Manny Pacquiao na third mansion, it is more modern na po kasi color gray na po yung color ng third house niya po. Sa mas modern na po masyado.
Okay, so we get to make pictures
Hopefully sa next yun balik kasali na ang Mansion 2 sa 2.
Yeah. And hopefully din po, matur na rin po ang Mansion 3.
Ayan, so we have make picture po here sa kanila receiving area.
Bababa para mag-picture.
Picture po tayo dito.
Ayan, dyan maganda.
Saan? Pwede mo pa-picture with the Sige. Pwede po na yung mga picture dyan.
Ay, oo.
Kung nasa sayang kahit pala, kumpleto po muna tayo. Pwede po tayo upo.
Sige pa,
Isa po.
Dito na lang daw po muna.
Dalawa po tayo.
Para lahat ng sige ngayon opo.
Ay,
Dito po tayo magdahan. Isa-isa po tayo ng staircase po, sir. Dito po tayo banda mag-posing. Dito po sa gilid.
May posing.
Isa-isa po para magpatalaga ang
Sige.
high ceiling.
Ano ang posing ko sa atin
Kanina po sa pinakababa ang nauna. Hindi
Ready and 1, 2, 3, go!
Yay!
Mabuhay! Maganda ang Jensen.
I am Christine Jennifer Amor.
And I am Gio Franco Dazo.
And we are your tour guides here in General Santos City. So I would like to invite you and come here in our place to see the most beautiful places or destinations and to try our delicacies and also to know our history. And
If you would like to book us for your next Pacman's Mansion tour, kindly visit and call us in our FB official page, namely Tour Guides of General Santos City. We'll hope to see you soon and magandang Jensen.
kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo? Arat na!
Arat na!
At dahil dyan, we will see you in our next regular episodes.
Challenge accepted?